on 3rd September, I dropped a video where I said that the market is about to go down as per the video if the indicators and signals come true. Alright, and they did, and the markets are going down continuously. And let me tell you that the market would crash down as per this video if the reasons which I'm about to tell you come true. Alright, so do watch that video and this video till the end if you want to know more about it. So coming to the first reason, which is the Kamala Harris reason, which means that Kamala Harris has said that she would be increasing the corporate tax from 21% to 35%, which is very bad for the US companies as they have to pay more taxes, reducing their net profits, which means that less earnings per share and increasing their higher valuations. So obviously people would not like to buy higher valuation stocks and they would be selling their stocks as well. Alright, so that is why the market is going down right now. And also there's one more reason, that all the big institutions wants to show profit in their bills and receipts which they send it to their clients, as it's almost the quarter end. They want to make their clients happy as to show them that the funds are performing very good, and that's why there's a huge sell-off and the markets are continuously going down. Alright, coming to the third reason. Alright, no matter who becomes the president over there, Kamala Harris or Donald Trump, there'll be a lot of tensions between the people over in US and fights and riots, so on as well. So that's why many more investors are also selling the stocks over there and the markets are going down. Coming back to the fourth reason over here is the Fed. Fed is giving us continuous warnings over here that the world debt is very high and continuously it's increasing, and how would this be debt paid? So how would it be paid? Even though interest rate of Fed is at 0.25% right now and it was 2% compared to the previous year, it is very low, but still if the Fed increases the interest rate, the burden on people would be a lot more as they won't be able to pay the interest, as there's no income right now being generated out of many businesses and many people due to the COVID situation. So that is why you need to look at these four reasons, which is who gets elected, how the economy does in US, whether it's in peace and it grows or not. The third reason is interest rates of Fed, and the fourth reason is the corporate tax rate of the US government. Alright, so if you have understood this video and liked my content, do give it a subscribe over here and like the video and comment down your queries below as well. Alright, until next time, happy investing guys, bye bye.